Hello out there, Facebook. I thought I'd try one more time to fix the old DX150A Radio Shack. It would come on, but nothing would come out of it. No sound, no nothing. It wasn't receiving. The S meter over here was just dead. It wouldn't move, wouldn't do anything. So I went to, touched up all the solder joints, and finally replaced a couple of old leaky capacitors. And by golly, the thing has come back to life. So let's listen to WWV on 5 megahertz.
Radio station WWV 2000.
I'm just running it on a inside antenna that I made. It's called a broomstick antenna, and it's just 3/4 PVC, and I wrapped it with a bunch of wire, taped it at the top, and then I put a hook on it to hang it, and seems to work pretty good. So the other stuff as we pass by here. Let's tune the DX150 a little bit.
Uncensored news, views, and commentary. Welcome to the program. I'm Rick Wells. Today is Thursday, January 22nd, 2015. Whoever controls the meaning of words controls the minds of the masses. That word is connected. Accordingly, the propaganda meisters invented the word disinflation. In addition to disinflation, the
Well, anyway, I just want to show you guys that I got it back up and running. Just needed some good spray and a few cold joints fixed up and a couple of leaky capacitors replaced. Anyway, DX150A from Radio Shack. I'm the original owner of that radio, by the way. Bought it back in the very early 70s, I believe it was. I have to look at that and make sure. But anyway, DX150A with the broomstick antenna. Thanks for watching my video. Oh, by the way, I'm located in southwestern Ohio.